We have an indefinite integral here, and it's the indefinite integral of 2e to the x minus 3e to the negative 2x dx. So we are going to be using this formula right here. And as I said before, generally I found out this little constant trick when I do use substitution is doing it a whole lot, and you figure out this formula. But the textbook that we're using gives you this formula, and the problem set expects you to use it, so here we go. And it just says that the indefinite integral of e to the kx dx is 1 over k e to the kx plus c. So we're going to use this rule, which we've been using a lot, and we're going to use this rule, or property rather, these two properties which we've been using a lot, and this formula. So let's just go to it, and I think I don't know, this might not show up very well, but I'm getting bored of black, and I think I want to use orange. So I'm going to break this up and factor out the constants. So I'm going to say 2 times an indefinite integral of e to the x dx minus 3 indefinite integral of e to the negative 2x dx. And the integral of this is 2e to the x plus c1 minus 3, and I'm going to explain why I did that in a minute, minus 3, and we look at this formula, this is a non-zero constant, so we have times negative 1 over 2, or 1 over negative 2, e to the negative 2x plus, oops, didn't forget that, plus c2. So now an arbitrary constant plus another arbitrary constant is just that's going to be a negative 3 times negative 1/2 is just going to be positive 3/2 2x, and then c1 plus c2 will just be a lot of times we don't do this, but since I broke it up I just felt I should, but and I did something like this earlier and didn't do this, and so I'm just kind of making up for that in that other example and just kind of showing you. And this is a good thing to know, and I'll probably get in trouble if I told you something else, so I'm not going to. So I'm going to leave it. I'm going to leave it like that.